This is the big reveal. Christmas 2008. This is the big surprise. Here he comes. What is that, buddy?
Matthew's tractor.
Wow, buddy.
Yep, press the pedal and it'll go with your foot.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, careful, bud. Whoa!
Oh.
You're gonna have to get off the other side.
That's yours, buddy. But Daddy can't ride it. It's too heavy. I can ride with you. I can walk it.
Daddy will help you.
You want help? Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey, look. Watch. See, you got your steering wheel. When you turn it, it turns the wheels, right? Come on, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna ride your tractor.
You get to drive your own tractor, Matt.
This is your very own tractor, just like the videos.
It's like Daddy.
That's right.
It's like Matthew.
That's right, this is Matthew's. And you got a
I
trailer.
like it.
Yay!
This up to help you get inside. Well, get on into this side, buddy. That's a shifter. That's a lockout.
What's this?
That's an armrest.
It's the dump.
No, it's not a dump, buddy. It's just a trailer. Buddy. There you go.
What's that?
You got to get on this side, buddy.
It's a new tractor.
That's the driving side, and this is the side you get on with.
This
That's the hood.
is gold.
No, it's tied down, buddy.
No, that's right.
Watch this, buddy. If you hold this forward and press it, the other way. And you let it go, and it goes forward. You want to try it? That's right. You want to get on it and drive it? Go that way, buddy.
Not on the road, buddy, just in the driveway. And Daddy's going to help you.
I'm going to help you, buddy. We can't go that way. That's not our yard.
Well, you can fit, but it's not our yard.